Hi, this is Charlie giving you Wednesday's video, and I hope you're very well. Has gold topped out? Is this the top in gold that we're seeing here? I've got a daily chart of gold. What's happened today is that the Trump administration has delayed some of the tariffs that were going to be imposed on China in September. Some of them have been delayed through to the 15th of December, and others they're still looking at as well, and some have been withdrawn for the foreseeable. So what we've seen is the likes of the yen weaken. So here's an example of the dollar yen. It's had a big move up as the yen has weakened against the dollar. The yen, remember, is a flight to safety across whatever pair, and we've seen this reversal in gold as well. So has gold topped out? Money goes into gold when there's uncertainty around trade wars, and what we've seen here is gold was pushing up higher earlier today, and we can see that it's sold off during the day. Has gold topped out? Well, no one ever knows the answer to any of these questions. All we do is trade probabilities with the strategies that we use. But as an observation, shall we say, let's go and observe gold to see if gold has topped out. So gold's been around that big psychological 1500 level. Let's go out to the monthly chart, because what gold has done is it has got up to these lows. So we've now seen, there we go. If I put a line on properly, you'll see it. But we've seen gold has got up today. If I put it on here, a proper horizontal line. If I change the color of it, because we can't see it when it's white. There we go. So you can now see that gold has got up and hit these prior lows up here. Standard technical analysis. These were a level of support at one point. We then broke through them. We've now finally come back up. So it wouldn't surprise me if we do have a bit of reaction to that anyway. We were probably going to have a reaction to it anyway, as it just so happens that this news has come out today. So that's the monthly chart there. If I go to the daily chart, you can see what's happening. Now something else has just happened. I can see all of a sudden some piece of news must be out. Hold on a second, let me press pause on this. I just sort of saw some of the markets moving around off screen, so I just wanted to check that out. I can't see any news at the moment. But anyway, if gold is going to have a reaction from this zone, which I think under normal technical analysis coming back out to, this is how the weekly chart looks, and then we go back out to the monthly, you would normally expect some sort of reaction into a prior resistance zone. What was a prior support becomes resistance. So the way that I would look at gold here is that, yes, for the near term, we may well be in a topping process. That doesn't mean to say that today's high is it. We could nudge around up here and fluff around for a bit, but I suspect we're in a topping process. However, do I think gold has topped out? No, I do not. Gold is in a bull market. When it broke out of the 1360 area, that was a key level. If I bring this back out to the daily chart, the monthly charts again, this zone all the way across was that key level which we broke out a couple of months back in June, July, August. Yeah, there we go. So when we broke out a couple of months back, that was a really significant key level. Everything is facing up. So I'm not in the business of trying to call a top necessarily when a market's going up or down. Not necessarily, unless it's in a market's in a major bull market and there's a lot of sentiment geared towards a certain market. And so I don't believe that we're in a euphoric stage as yet in the gold market from a sentiment perspective, like we were back in 2011. And so I think that if we pull back in gold, all that it will be is an opportunity to get long. I shall leave you with those thoughts. Enjoy your week. I'll be back on Friday. Take care for now. Oh, give it a thumbs up as well if you get a chance.